After the rain, Mina stands in the park, gazing at the vibrant rainbow. Mina's face reflects the rainbow's colors, filled with awe and inspiration. Mina decides to create a kite that mirrors the rainbow's beauty. Amidst a vibrant array of colors, Mina and her mother collaborate on the rainbow flyer. Mina, beaming with pride, declares, "I'll call you Rainbow Flyer." Her mother smiles, admiring her daughter's creation. Mina sends the rainbow flyer soaring into the sky, a vibrant dance against the canvas of clouds. Children and parents gaze up in delight, their faces lit by the kite's colorful display. A sudden gust snatches the kite, and Mina's joy turns to dismay as the string slips away. "Oh no!" Mina cries out, her voice a mix of frustration and worry as she watches the kite drift away. An eagle swoops down, catching the kite gently in its beak. The crowd gasps, witnessing the unbelievable sight. The eagle glides back, releasing the kite into Mina's hands. Mina smiles warmly, whispering, "Thank you." The eagle screeches happily, soaring back towards the mountains as the crowd erupts in applause. Mina clutches the rainbow flyer, her touch tender as she whispers her gratitude. "Thank you, Rainbow Flyer, and thank you, Eagle friend." From that day forward, I lift my eyes to the heavens whenever my kite dances in the wind, hoping to catch a glimpse of my eagle friend watching from above. The rainbow flyer flutters vibrantly, mirroring the eagle soaring distantly, a symbol of our everlasting bond.